Hello everyone. So in the previous class we discussed about the linked list or the different operations, that is one for the creation. So today very important, there are two operators they are using for dynamic representation. Okay, for the dynamic representation, okay, so for that when you write the representation of the programs, so C++ gives you two operators. There are two operators. What are the two operators they are using is, one is new and another is delete. New and delete operators are used. Okay, so here how exactly the new and delete operators are used is, so when you use for the new operator, with one way is this one and another is with the array. So this one gives you just this new allocates the space. This allocates the space for the single. Okay, for this also allocates the space, as here we are using the array, so allocates a space for array, means the number of elements, more elements. Here only one element, that is new, only new. You will allocate the, actually here for the single element. This is for single element, allocate. Then delete, and with the delete with the array. So delete means again deallocate, deallocating the storage space. Deallocate the storage space. So for this it will use only again the single element. For this deallocation, again for the array, deallocate. Okay, so what we are using here, array. Okay, deallocate the memory space of array. Okay, so these two are used, only new and with the new with array, delete and delete with the array. These two operators we are using for in the C++ language for dynamic. Okay, so when you go for the new operator, you go for the operator with the new and with the new with the array. So here what will happen? So here, as I told you, dynamic memory is allocated. Dynamic memory is allocated using the new. Okay, then if the sequence of more than one elements, as I told you, if more than one elements, then what you have to do, you have to go for the array. Okay, as we are using the writing in the brackets, okay, square brackets, element, more than one element is required. Required the number of number in the brackets, that is with the array. Okay, so here the syntax is, so how to write this new operator? So with the pointer is equal to new type. This is for only single, as I told you, for the single allocation. When you go for the array allocation, pointer is equal to new type and in the square bracket number of elements. This is how the syntax for the allocating new for the single element, allocating for the number of elements with the array. So if I write the example, it's very simple, as I will write integer with one pointer, the variable. Okay, so temp is equal to new, so int with the 5, means we return this one, that is one pointer with the your integer created, then that pointer will be allocated to the new with the number of elements. Okay, that is the array. So this is how the new and this new with the array works. This only new is allocated for the single element. So when you go for the delete one, for the delete, so just delete means it will be deallocate. So delete, what will happen? So delete and this delete. So this delete, what will happen? As I told you, here also it will be deleting, deallocating the single element, okay, and this, it is reallocating the number of elements, that is with the array. So here, once it is, so some are using, some memory space are required and some memory space are not required, which is no longer used. For that, okay, that can be freed, we can telling it as a freed. So once it is no longer needed in the memory, so what you have to do, that can be freed, it can be freed. Freed means delete. See, there are so many elements which are not used, so you can delete it. So because again the memory becomes available. So what will happen when it is, memory becomes available. When you freed it, memory becomes available. When you freed, you can have the memory to again allocate. Okay. So the syntax for this is, as I told you, we are using the delete operator. Delete with your pointer. Okay, this is deleted only for the single element. If you want to delete the with the array, delete with the array with the pointer. So how many elements you want? That many elements can be deallocate here. Can now deallocate. So then again it will be deallocated. Again it will be added dynamically. So any unwanted, so if you are not using, again it will be freed. So again it will be added. So this is how exactly the new and delete operators are used. Okay. In the next class we will discuss about the operation of traversing. Okay. Thank you very much.